We got a nasty week of weather here in Seattle, so no RC stuff, no working on the tracks. It's just too wet, but I want to bring a new segment to the channel where I show you a featured clip of the week from either what we're working on right now or back through the archives and some of the best driving I've got on camera. In these Lap of the Week segments, I also want to point out a highlight, whether it be a track feature that I like or dislike or want to work on, as well as some driving tips and different stuff that I might see. So in this first episode, we're actually going to show you 2 laps, and we're going to look at both directions of the new track layout I have on my big 8-scale track, and I want to know from you guys which one you think is better. First, we're looking at the new primary direction. We reversed the track layout, changed all the jumps, and I think it flows really well. It's a little bit less technical, but also tougher in certain spots, and I'm having a blast running it. Now that we've seen the new direction, let's check out the old direction, how it plays with the new jumps and new features.
There it was.
So I'm really liking both directions on the new track layout. Let me know what you think is best down in the comments below, and we'll see you on next week's version of the Lap of the Week.